There are two methods of attaching your Annexe walls to your rollout or wind out awnings. There is what we call a pole pocket and clip system, as well as an anti-flap kit system. I'm going to show you now the pole pocket clip system. I've got some mini little demos here. You have to use your imagination that this is a full wall, whether it's a shape lock wall or an Annexe wall, but nonetheless I'm now trying to focus on purely how the wall attaches to your Annexe. So a pole pocket and clip system is somewhat self-explanatory. We're using a pole to attach. We're sewing a pocket into the very top of your Annexe wall, and we're going to be using a series of clips that cam shut on the edge of your awning skin to help hold that down to the wall. So the process in putting a pole pocket and clip system together is simply take your Annexe wall out, and you'll take your rafter pole. This is just a steel rafter pole with a bent over end and a spigot end, which will attach to your awning. So your process is simply to feed your pocket pole into the pocket and back the other way. It's best to do this as it's laid out on the ground. It'll help you with handling it all. We're just feeding that pole through the pocket until we see the end come out of both ends. Of course, imagining this is a full wall, and you're simply just lifting up onto the mounting clip. It's the same mounting clip used with the anti-flap kit as well. And we simply just slot the pole in, pull apart and tighten up. Now to keep the roof attached to your wall, we use the clips that just pull up to the edge and clamp down, and this will keep the two together. Now another feature with the pole pocket and the way in which we make the wall is we make it so there's a V flap at the very top. It's designed so that when weather blows, strong winds blow in from outside, that the V blows itself open to help seal the connection off. So whilst it's not as sealed as an anti-flap kit system, it would have to be particularly bad, strong weather conditions to be able to get that moisture through it, and even then it would be minimal moisture anyway. So don't be afraid of the pole pocket system as a potential weather point. It's simply a more simpler method or cost-effective method to attaching your wall, whether that, as I said earlier, a shade or an Annexe wall, to your rollout awning. Probably best suits the people who rarely use their Annexe and don't necessarily need to expend the extra upgraded money on getting your anti-flap kit. Okay, so this is a pole pocket and clip system. It can be adapted to most awnings. It's economical, it's quick, it's easy, about the same work either way. But it's an option for you to choose from when you purchase one of our great rooms.